Welcome to my channel. My name is Resi, and on this channel it's all about baking and creating. Today I'm making keto waffles. That means no sugar, no flour, very healthy. It's one of my breakfast staples, so please come along and join me. For the keto waffles you will need the following ingredients: 8 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 125 grams of mascarpone, 200 grams low-fat cottage cheese, 4 tablespoons of liquid egg white, 2 scoops of beef protein isolate powder, ideally chocolate flavor, 4 tablespoons of almond flour, 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, a bit of vanilla essence, a pinch of sea salt, a lot of cinnamon, half a cup of chia seeds, and finally 1 sachet of keto-friendly baking powder. So we mix our ingredients really well. Meanwhile, my waffle iron is already on and getting hot. And I'm ready to put the dough in and bake the beautiful keto waffles. We'll put a little bit of butter to ensure that they don't stick. First one is ready. Next one, same. I use it on the highest settings. Usually around 4 minutes. Your machine will tell you. You can see that this is a very old waffle iron. My mom used it when I was a child already, and it's still perfectly working. I don't think the brand actually exists anymore, but it's still working. So they're already, look at this, how wonderful are these? Of course I'm doing a taste test. Because I use so much egg white in them, they are very, very fluffy. They're not sweet at all, but I like it. Really fluffy, really nice, super healthy, very easy breakfast. I make these in advance, keep them in the fridge for 3 days, or you freeze them as well, which means you always have a healthy breakfast at hand. I mix it with, I add berries to it. Really great. Thank you. So this is a beautiful, high protein, healthy and really quick breakfast.